Welcome to my unpacking video from Boracay, Philippines. First, I'm going to show you my view. This has been my view for the last 7 days in this hotel called Watercolors. It's a little boutique hotel with 6 rooms and it's a diving shop down below. We're getting set up for our breakfast on our balcony and check out the view. The water's a little green today with the algae, but that's okay. It's still really beautiful. Look at the fresh coconuts in the trees. It's just beautiful. We have been in Boracay a total of 17 days and today is moving day. We are flying to Cebu and from there going to another little island called Bohol. So today I'm going to show you an unpacking video. This is my backpack that I purchased in Argentina in early last year, 2025. It's the Forclaz 40-liter Travel 500 organizer. Here we go. First thing I'm going to show you is this outer pocket. So last year, I brought my little mini travel scale. This year, didn't bring it. I realized I can weigh myself. If I'm concerned about my weight, I can go into a pharmacy or a clinic and weigh myself. So now, in this little pocket, I've got my flip-flops, which are kind of wearing out. So it might be time to replace the flip-flops. The spot for the flip-flops. We do have a little pocket here. There's nothing in it now. The other side also has like a water bottle pocket. Okay, let's unpack. So we started this trip on December 30th from New Mexico. We flew to LAX, spent the night. LAX, we flew direct to Shanghai and spent 7 days in Shanghai. Well, it was really, really cold in Shanghai, so we did bring some pants, a long sleeve shirt, a puffy jacket, gloves, hat, but this time I brought disposable jacket, meaning I'd owned it for many, many years. The zipper was coming undone. And I brought just a cheap beanie and my old 10-year-old gloves. And so I left those behind in Shanghai. And so I've decided to leave behind. Let me show you. Here's a little stack of what I'm leaving here. I've got a flannel shirt, a t-shirt, some socks, an eye mask, and these extra rollers that I brought that I thought I'd be using. I'm not. So I'm leaving them for the cleaning staff. They want them. So let's unpack. This backpack is divided into 3 sections, one large, a medium, and a small. So let's start with the small. In the small, and I always put everything back the same exact way. Here I have my whole makeup kit. There's not a whole lot in here, and to be honest, I haven't used it at all. I did use it in Shanghai a little bit, haven't used it here at all. I've got, this little bag has 5 pair of underwear, 3 socks. Yes, 5 pairs of underwear, 3 socks, and I have a sports bra here, and I'm wearing a bra here. I only brought 2 bras. This is something we just purchased here in Boracay. We've been wanting to order these from Amazon or whatever, but we hadn't. So I found these cool clips for your beach towels to hold them in the back of the chairs. They work wonderful. And then I have the case for my prescription sunglasses. They are actually in my purse. I should go over there. So that is that. This section, I have my big handy dandy beach towel miscellaneous wrap multi-purpose that I bought in Africa like 5 years ago. Here I have my little toiletry kit and I have all the stuff that's toiletries in here. This is an extra little Ziploc, which I have miscellaneous. Along the way, I've been buying detergent to wash our clothes when we don't send it to the cleaners. I have some little bottles of mouthwash, little hair products. I did only bring 2 hair products from home, and let's see how long these last. Some Olaplex products. I brought my sneakers. I've only used them so far in Shanghai every day. I'll probably use them somewhere, but I haven't used them. Here is my hat. I've had this probably over 5 years and I love it. Here's a magazine from Cebu Pacific Airlines that I brought with me when we flew here from Manila, and I still haven't read it. Here's a cute little bag. When I bought those clips, this store, Mutisu, and it had a kitty, so I bought the shopping bag. And then I have a multi-purpose plug thingy. That is that whole side. Oh, here's some extra socks. All right, let's get to the big side. Here's my blower brush. It does double up as a blow dryer if you use this side and you put it on. I've only used this a couple of times. This is my, I call it my mate holder, because everybody in Argentina carries their mate tea, and so we just kind of started calling it that. And I do have my water container, fits right in here. My phone fits here. Love this thing. All right, this is my first aid kit and medications. I have lots of vitamins and lotions and creams and things like that. I came here with just one bathing suit, and I just purchased another one a couple days ago. So I have 2 bathing suits. Okay, I have my actually just like hiking pants, and I have my merino wool shirt. So these are actually good if we're going to have long travel days. I will wear my pants and wear a t-shirt and then have this. I have my fun shorts, which have become, for beach life, they're pretty much everyday shorts. I have these shorts, these hiking shorts. I have 2 dresses. I have my long time hiking dress, and this cute dress I bought this last summer in Lake Tahoe. Wear a t-shirt under it. Very cute. I have a set of pajamas. I have 3 t-shirts, 2 of which I purchased in Mauritius at a mall for like $10. Super cute. And then I have my one and only yoga outfit, which I did a lot of yoga here this last week, every single day. And then I'd come home after my long walk, and then I'd wash this every night. Oh, and this is all of the, trying to use these up. These are our sunblocks that we brought from home, just because we had them. So that is everything that's in my backpack. So I'm probably going to buy a dress or 2, maybe for evenings, and maybe some cute sandals. Possibly. I don't know. We are going to be going to Manila, and we are going to spend a few nights in a very nice hotel. So I might get a nice dress for a nice dinner there. Who knows? But what's most important to me is the ease of packing, a minimalist style with just one backpack. Oh, let me show you my purse. This trip I brought my big bagolini so I can put more things in here. I have my notebook. I have a miscellaneous bag with gum and change and things like that. My hairspray and my brush is in here. A battery pack. Extra toothbrushes and toothpaste that I take from hotels. My fun wallet that my son bought me when we were in Venice over Christmas break. And, oh, we started bringing a blood pressure little wrist cuff with us just to check that. and my passport and those kinds of things are in this bag. So that's it. Now I'm gonna put it all back into the backpack for an actual packing video. Oh, and I forgot to show you the other pair of shoes. I have my Tevas, which I love. Oh, look, breakfast is ready. So these are excellent for long distance walking and hiking and even going in the water with them. I love these. I've been using this exact model for the last 5 years, I think. I've walked whole Caminos, 2 whole months with just Tevas. I'll put them in a link below so you can order right directly from my YouTube store. Just kidding, I don't have one.